The human body is made up of 100 trillion independent and unique cells that work in delicate concert to give our body optimal health. Because of the cell's ability to self-duplicate, metabolize nutrients, and carry out an independent life cycle, scientists have determined that the cell is the basic unit of life. Just as each brick is critical to the overall structure of a building, each cell is vital to the overall health of the human body. In fact, the source of many detrimental illnesses originates from a single unhealthy cell that self-duplicates into an eventual systemic ailment. Normal cell health and function can, however, be maintained and supported with the help of natural, efficacious botanicals and compounds. Understanding that optimal human health begins and often ends at the cellular level, Zija International created a revolutionary new line of essential oils called Ameo. Ameo has established a breakthrough scientific validation process called Certi-5, which is setting a new standard for essential oil quality, purity, and efficacy unlike anything previously offered in the industry. By combining the best that nature has to offer with cutting-edge scientific research and development, we are able to demonstrate that each and every one of our Certi-5 oils is clinical grade as well as cell-active and permeable. The Certi-5 verification process incorporates technology developed over years of research at leading scientific institutions and brought into application exclusively by Ameo. We are able to use fluorescence imagery to follow the dynamic patterns of essential oils in real time as they penetrate and become active and viable in human cells. Our ability to determine the subcellular localization patterns of Ameo essential oils, as well as how they inherently aid and nourish the basic building blocks of life, is an exciting development brought to life by Dr. Joshua Plant, Zija International's Vice President of Research and Development. The Certi-5 standard helps Ameo essential oil users nourish and support their cells, allowing the body to function optimally and live up to its potential. A Certi-5 validation is required before any oil is sold under the Ameo brand, giving product users the confidence that they are using the very highest standard of clinical grade essential oils that will work at the source of human health. Nature has the potential, and Ameo is bringing that potential to life, one drop at a time.